Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is, I believe it's Mycia. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Mycia wrote us very simply, she wants an inexpensive, low wedding centerpiece. So I decided to use one of our Dollar Tree vase hacks using, what else? A margarita glass. I'm so excited to show you just how easy it is to use this $1.25 margarita glass from the Dollar Tree to create this beautiful, easy rose wedding centerpiece. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, our easy rose wedding centerpiece. Alright guys, let's get to it. So our first step is to transform this margarita glass into our beautiful gold gilded base. We do that with spray paint. I give it 2 coats, allow it to dry in between coats. Now, I've already put a link to an actual 3-inch foam styrofoam disc in the link, but this is what I use when I run out of things. I just use a Dollar Tree cube, styrofoam cube, cut it in half, and then use the rim to create my insert. Now, I would suggest that you hot glue the insert down into the glass just to add extra stability. Once it's dry, you are ready to start adding your beautiful floral to the arrangement. Well, Mycia, how did we do? I told you it was going to be easy. I just love the look of this. I also want to tell you that those candlesticks you are seeing are also from the Dollar Tree, $1.25 each, and I spray paint them with the same gold paint and added some LED candles to them. All of that is in the links below, but I want you to see how you can create a whole centerpiece around Dollar Tree items. So I'm so excited to share that with you. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted, and if there's something we can help you with, or you have a question, or if you just want to make a comment and say, good job, Miss Planet, please head on down to the comment section and by all means do that. If you want to hang out some more, you can head over to our website or very easily follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for because they pay you to shop. It's very simple. Go down to the description, click on the link, Sign up for your Rakuten account, and when you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It is really that simple. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. I want to remind you that if you would like to submit a project request, head on down to the description right below this video. Just click in that description box, and sometimes they have a little arrow that says show more. You can click on there. You will find all of the links to all of the supplies for this project. That's where we always put them for your DIY efforts. So everything you need is right there for you. In addition to that, we have links to our social media as well as our website. You can click there or in the corner to go to MissPlanet.com, where you will find more written and picture instructions for our projects, as well as lots of cost-saving tips and a free resource library. So we just want to let you know you can continue to hang out with us even after the video is over. Well, guys, we appreciate your time you spend with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, and we just want to say thank you for hanging out with us. And with that being said, we want you to always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.